Hey guys, welcome back, and today we are going to be making another turban headband. This is a different turban headband from the tutorials that I have, so this will be style number 3. This is a turban headband that has two separate pieces, but they will be crisscrossed at the front and they will be joined at the back. Let me show you real quick. This is where they are joined. So let us go ahead, and I'm going to show you how to make this very easy and quick turban headband. We are going to start with exactly 2 pieces with the exact measurements. As I said earlier, this is a turban headband piece that has 2 pieces, and they are crisscrossed on the front and joined at the back. So the pieces are going to be 23 inches by 8 inches. I'm going to repeat: 23 inches from here to here and 8 inches from here to here. As I said yesterday on my other tutorial, measurements may differ. Just adjust and play with your head and they will fit according to your needs. So what we are going to do is we are going to take our 2 pieces and fold in half. Fold this in half and fold this in half. After we have folded in half, we are going to go to our serger and sew straight from here to here and from here to here on both pieces. If you do not have a serger, use your regular sewing machine, but set it on a zigzag stitch or whatever stitch is set for stretch fabric on your sewing machine. Do not use a straight stitch because it will come apart. Okay, so I'm going to go to my serger and I'll be back. Now both of my pieces have been, the ends have been serged. So what I'm going to do is I am going to turn them inside out. Both pieces, turn them inside out. After we are done turning them inside out, what we're going to do is we are going to make sure this seam right here is on the middle, and do the same thing with this one. Make sure it's on the middle. So the next step is you are going to take this one and put it on top of this one, but this one, the seam will still be on top, but with this one you put it like that. So half half, bring this to half and all the way here, and the other half all the way here. So both pieces are folded into half, and what we're going to do is we're going to just give it a pull, bring these together, make sure they are all equal, and once you are done, we are going to go to our sewing machine or serger, whichever one you use, and we are just going to sew a straight line from here to here. Okay, I am done and I have finished my ends right here, so which means our two pieces are joined. I'm gonna turn this inside out, and this is how it will look. It is crossed in the front and joined at the back. This was a very quick tutorial. It took me less than 10 minutes to film while sewing it. So enjoy making your own turban, and if you're going to make it for business, go make that money, and I will see you guys in another tutorial very soon. Bye guys.